Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to print a Word document in a PDF file format. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select a File tab up in the top left corner of Word and go down and select Print on the left panel here. Where it says Printer, click on the drop down and select Microsoft Print to PDF. And once you've done that, select the print button up here, and it'll give you a location of where you want to save this PDF file to. So just go ahead and give it a file name and then save it to an accessible and easy to remember location on your computer. I'm just saving it to my desktop. I'm going to select Save. And now if I go ahead and open up the PDF on my desktop, I don't have Adobe Reader on this computer, but if I open up using Microsoft Edge's built-in PDF viewer, you see it does save in a PDF file format. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.